Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home.
Propagating lavender from cuttings is a relatively simple and effective way to create new plants. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Select a healthy parent plant, choose a mature and healthy lavender plant as the source for your cuttings. The best time to take cuttings is in the spring or early summer. Prepare the cutting, use clean and sharp pruning shears or scissors to cut a 4 to 6 inch long stem from the parent plant. Make the cut just below a leaf node. Remove lower leaves, strip away the lower leaves from the cutting, leaving only a few leaves at the top. This helps to reduce moisture loss and directs energy towards root development. Optional, you can use rooting hormone. Dip the cut end of the stem into a rooting hormone powder or gel. This step is optional but can increase the chances of successful root development. Plant the cutting, fill small pots or containers with a well-draining and sterile potting mix. Make a hole in the soil with a pencil or similar tool and insert the cutting into the hole. Water the soil thoroughly after planting the cutting. Ensure that the soil is consistently moist but not waterlogged. Put the pots in a location with bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can be too harsh for the young cuttings. Monitor and transplant. Keep an eye on the cuttings over the next few weeks. Once they have developed a healthy root system, usually in 4 to 6 weeks, you can transplant them into larger pots or directly into the garden. Remember that not all cuttings may successfully root, so it's a good idea to take multiple cuttings to increase your chances of success. Additionally, providing a warm and consistent environment can further enhance the success rate of propagation. Want to see more of my videos? Please like and subscribe.